This is Michael Musgrave with ALLIN Home Inspections, and today we're in a Crawlspace where we found an easy fix that's not proper nor is it good, but it's a DIYer. They have used duct tape to fix drain lines or water lines. And then over here, they've also used duct tape to support the plumbing drain to the water lines. And then we also found right here a crack in the plumbing drain pipe. If you got a crawl space, you need to get in here periodically and check them out and look around so that you know if you have issues or if you don't. This is Michael Musgrave with ALLIN Home Inspections.